What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting means you only eat during a specific time. Fasting for a certain number of hours each day or eating just one meal a couple of days a week can help your body burn fat. Intermittent fasting takes planning, dedication, and a strong will. What are the rules for intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting can be as simple as extending that fast a little longer. You can do this by skipping breakfast, eating your first meal at noon, and your last meal at 8 p.m. Then you're technically fasting for 16 hours every day, and restricting your eating to an 8-hour eating window. The worst intermittent fasting mistake. Mandy Enright is well known for her practical recommendations on social media to make weight reduction and good eating less restrictive and more sensible. This week on her LinkedIn profile, Enright proposed, "Let's talk about the number one mistake people are making with intermittent fasting." Most people require more than an 8-hour window. The worst mistake people make with intermittent fasting, according to Enright, is eating inside feasting windows that are too short in duration. She believes that the 16-hour fasting window paired with the 8-hour feasting window is too restrictive for certain dieters. When your body tells you it needs to eat, resisting that need is simply torturing yourself, she says, comparing it to forcing yourself to wait 16 hours to use the restroom. Don't be too restrictive if you want to practice intermittent fasting. Instead, start with a 12-hour window in your day and adapt from there based on hunger, energy levels, and the day's plan. Enright added, "If you're only eating 1 or 2 overly large meals per day, how is this helping your weight loss or weight management goals? Often I see people eating these big meals super late in the day." Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notifications bell to receive all our new videos. And be sure to check out our other videos.